this poor bird. He fell from his nest. Don't know. He's hardly living right now. I don't know what's going on. Well, you, Tati, were walking happily. I somehow found it, and not quite go to Tati because he.
The bird angel.
Yeah, because he was the one who was brave enough to pick this little creature up.
Yeah.
He managed to. We both managed to gently stroke him, and yeah. Oh my gosh, I can not imagine what we just found.
Mm-hmm. It's called a fledgling.
A fledgling?
Yeah.
First,
First they're nestlings, and they become fledglings. That's when they have feathers.
Were you running?
I didn't want to run because
yeah, I know, but
he may feel uncomfortable.
did you walk a bit fast?
You're okay?
Oh, poor guy. He's not going to survive it for nothing. But luckily, good news, we're almost to the end of the gate.
Yeah.
That gate means I can see the outside. So we're almost able to give it to the priest. And what's the priest going to do?
Well,
Like after he or she?
he would probably have a small cardboard box and some food. Because he's not going to survive the trip in my truck. The Land Rover. It's too noisy and bumpy.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe this happened. So first we had a pigeon coming to our house. And then now we have a poor little bird that made us touching.
Yeah.
Oh, this is too good. I mean, I'm not saying that the fledgling isn't dangerous. I'm saying it's good that we found all these things. Right?
Yeah. Exactly.
The poor fledgling. Or they can keep it open so he can actually have